What is up, human beings? This is Elisha and welcome back to another video. Now, the plan for today is we are going for a dinner. I'm going with my friends, and after that the plan is to watch the lunar eclipse. And after that, because it's happening tonight in Winnipeg, hopefully the skies are clear and maybe we'll get a good shot. After that, the plan is to go for a walk as usual, just come back home, edit the video, and maybe just upload it. So let's go. शर्ट तो बड़ी ज़बरदस्त लग रही है, कहाँ से ली है?
2018
सीन्स हैं ब्रो।
ये
और हमारी शर्ट के बारे में क्या कहना है? तुम गलत चीज़ें पी रहे हो यार।
भाई ये पानी है, पानी है।
कोक है, थोड़ी ज़्यादा गाढ़ी है।
पाकिस्तान वाली कोक नहीं है, तो पानी डाल दिया अंदर।
बालों की तारीफ नहीं की ब्रो।
भाई बात बड़ा सेट लग रहा है
जब तक आ रहा है सेटअप। कोई आ गया टप आ गया। या लेमन पेपर, थैंक यू। आ गया लॉन्डो, आ गया खाना, आ गया। ये हमारा बंदा है, विंग्स नहीं खाता। भाई क्या रीज़न है आपका विंग्स ना खाने का? Why do you not like the wings, bro? Huh? No. What about these?
This one's actually pretty good.
No, but like you don't eat wings at all.
It's just because the other one. I like this one.
You like this one? Take more, bro. ये जो ऊपर आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं ना भाई, क्या नाम था इसका?
टोनी रोमा लग रहा है।
टोनी रोमा।
I don't know if that's actually him or not.
इन्होंने ये जगह बनाई थी 1960 में शायद, बट विंग्स अच्छे हैं, 100 बातों की बात है। खा के मिलते हैं आपसे। ऑलराइट भाई, टोनी रोमास के व्लॉग, टोनी रोमा के विंग्स लेवल के थे। सो फाइनली द lunar eclipse has just begun. So let me show you. Right now it is just this. See this? So beautiful. We'll take some nice pictures and we'll show you guys. Keep you guys updated.
Pit stop first.
Yes sir, we will. So this guy is taking us to some unknown place. Maybe he is kinda kidnapping us.
So you know when we were kids and you put in a coin and it gives you candy? Do that here.
There.
Come outside. Oh, he missed it.
What happened?
Is that switch gonna fucking start coming out? Huh? Switch?
No, it's candy.
No, it's gonna. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, it sends an alarm. Alarm? Yeah. What's that?
Okay, okay.
Oh, you can get water? Yeah, you can get water. It's potable water.
How much? 25 cents?
That was 25 cents.
Okay, okay. So you wanted to make him bet.
I wanted to make him mad, but he never got. But he already knew.
But he already knew something is fishy there.
He failed at the first attempt, so.
Damn.
No, I knew there's some sort of pipe down. Like, what the heck is this?
And it was written that there is some water
Oh, was it?
gonna come out.
It
Yeah.
says $15 for a gallon.
That was
is that,
dope,
like
man.
fresh
That was
water?
dope.
Yeah.
Quick. This is the moon. That's the Jupiter. Beside there is the Saturn. And this is AK-47.
Adi.
That's this
लाइट
guy.
के लिए और एस्ट्रोनॉमी कर रहे हैं
नहीं नहीं लाइट अब बंद कर रहे हैं ब्रो वो वीडियो के लिए थी yeah. So the light is off. माहौल बन चुका है और ऑब्जर्व कर रहे
ये
हैं.
और zoom in हुआ है क्या अभी?
हाँ मैंने किया थ्री जूम लगाया ना उसमें
Oh, okay,
तभी
okay. Yeah, because it seems more.
या पहले आप जुपिटर को 2 से देखेंगे फिर 3 से देखेंगे.
What do you have to say about the space?
Crazy.
Was it crazy?
Super crazy. Like I've seen pictures and stuff like that.
Like videos are just
But yeah, they don't do it justice until you see it by your own eyes. You can't.
It's like a different experience.
So the whole perspective of space for you has been changed from today.
Oh, definitely. I might buy my own scope.
They're expensive, man.
Okay, nah.
They are. Alright guys, so that was it for today. If you guys liked the video, please do hit the like, comment and share button and peace out.